Hey guys, so I'm at my grandma's house and I don't know, I guess I just thought to myself I'm gonna make another one of these videos where I kind of just walk around and see what I hear and see. And I hear a Springfield cricket over here, which honestly I do not think these are nowhere near as common as the fall field crickets, because these the Springfield cricket, even though it says my area has them, I've never heard them there before at my house. The only ones I'm hearing at my house right now are the southeastern field crickets, but not the Springfield crickets, even though it says we have them. But my grandma has the Springfield crickets though. I hear two of them actually. Sounds like one's further away. I heard a wood thrush. And I see a robin. There was the wood thrush again, I heard it. One thing I've noticed is that my grandma has much more of a variety of birds than I do. Probably where she has all the mountains. Like I don't hear nearly as many as there is around here. And down there's the bird feeder. I hear a cardinal. There was a wood thrush. I'd love to see one of those things one day. I think they're rare though to see. And of course, now that I'm recording, all the activity calms down. I mean, why wouldn't it, right? And if I sound weird to you, it's because I have a cold right now. So yeah, at least I have the energy to do this. Right? I see a grackle. And I hear a robin. Oh, I see it too. I wish we had wood thrushes at home. I like their song. There's a Carolina wren. There's a dove. There's a robin. Okay, I want to explain something to you guys. If it wasn't for all the neighbors and all in the highway down below, this is where I would want to live if it wasn't for all that stuff. Like, see how there's this big field and then you got the surrounding woods? This is like the kind of habitat you need for like all different kinds of species. Because you know, you've got your forest edge lovers, you've got your just regular forest lovers, you got your field lovers like the field crickets, you got the, you know what I mean, like this is the kind of habitat you need that supports all different kinds of species. So this is definitely, without all the neighbors and traffic noise, this is where I would like, this is the kind of habitat I want if I ever live on my own one day. I heard a towhee. You know, I wasn't even into birds until Vinyl Nerd started talking about them, and then, well, I was interested in them, but like I would feed them every year, but I didn't really pay attention to them like I did frogs and stuff until he made that video about ones he hears around his house, and ever since then, the rest is history. I've just kind of gotten into them after that, and now here we are. I know a lot of different kinds now. Still haven't heard any southeastern field crickets yet. I'm gonna go see if those Springfield crickets are still calling. I heard a red-bellied woodpecker, I think, just now. Yep, the crickets are still calling. The Springfield crickets. Of course they stop when I come to record. I still hear one that's kind of far off. I don't know if the phone's picking it up though because of all the birds. There's a robin. I hope to hear that whippoorwill again tonight. That was cool. Those are rare now. Those are not like they were back in like the 80s and 90s, I don't think. Well, I can hear it better from back here. The cricket. And it stopped. Typical. Because I point my phone at it. There's the towhee. Hang on a minute, I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. And look what showed up. It looks like it's guarding the feeder, but it's a ruby-throated hummingbird on top of that hanger. Right there. It's a male, of course. Most of the time, it's a male that does the chasing. Oh, it flew. Although I have seen one time where, or I have seen, I've noticed, like, like, usually the males leave first, like in the fall, they migrate back south first. And then I've noticed once they leave, then the females will start chasing each other off and protecting the feeders. So I think I think the males are more powerful than the females though, because the males, like, they don't do it when the males are around. They only do it once they leave. So yeah. Well, I think I'm gonna end the video here. If I hear anything else tonight, I'll record it. Bye.